Okay, here are my 5 pots which I already isi with tempurung at the bottom instead of people putting pebbles or stones because they have the bulk modulus to allow the water to seep through. And now I'm going to get some hampas tebu, some bagasse, and then lay it on top before putting the sand and topsoil and my potting mix. Okay, this is my box of bagasse. It's all dried up because it's been in this cardboard box for months and dry. Okay, this is the bagasse, hampas tebu. So I'm now going to put it on top of the tempurung on the pots. Okay, here are the 5 pots again with filled in with the coarse bagasse. Okay, so 1, 2 here, 2 there, and 1 more there. So the fine bagasse is down below the fine one, so I'll put the fine one now on top of the coarse bagasse. The purpose of the bagasse is to retain water. The purpose of the tempurung is to allow the excess water to drain away so that the root plants don't rot, don't drown. So by putting some bagasse before the topsoil, you retain some water, acts as a sponge, then you don't have to water your pots so often. Okay, but it's important to get the balance right, and that is done by trial and error and experience. Okay. So this is the coarse bagasse. Now I'm going to put the fine bagasse. I will sieve out the kasar one, just take the fine one. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, now. This is the fine bagasse here, the coarse bagasse here. I hope you can see the difference. You can see it's powdery, almost like sawdust. So I'm going to put it in the pots now. Okay, here are my 5 pots with the tempurung at the bottom, the coarse bagasse, and then the fine bagasse inside. Okay, you can see that there. And now I'm going to put some sand on top. Don't have to put much, just to fill up the spaces. Because again, the purpose of the sand is to allow the water to seep through and not drown the roots of the plants. Okay, here are my 5 pots again with the fine sand put on top of the fine bagasse, which is on top of the coarse bagasse, which is on top of the tempurung. So now I'm going to put my topsoil, my potting mix, which I made myself. Here are my pots, and this is my homemade potting mix, which I'm going to put inside the pots on top of everything else. On top of the fine bagasse, on top of the sand, which is on top of the fine bagasse, on top of the coarse bagasse, on top of the tempurung. Okay, I'll do that now. And I'm too tired and exhausted to tell you how I make the potting mix. You can read it in one of my books, Foodscapes. So if it's not in there, I'll make another video next time, but not tonight. Tonight I'm exhausted. I want to have a shower and go to sleep because it's been a long day. I was building hugel. We did one on Friday, so we did a much bigger one today. So it's incompleted. We'll sambung on Sunday. If you want to see a hugel made, you can come on Sunday around lunchtime to Kebun Kampung Sungai Buah. I have to charge money to teach you how to do it. We'll charge you 100 ringgit. Okay. Okay, this is my 5 pots with the potting mix in it, on top of the sand, on top of the fine bagasse, on top of the coarse bagasse, on top of the tempurung. So what I'm going to do is to sprinkle some yidu chili seeds on top. I wanted to plant more passion fruit, but I have to get the seeds first. But anyway, I'll plant these yidu chili seeds, and then put a little bit more potting mix on top, and then water it and let nature takes its course and let nature do all the heavy lifting. All I have to do in gardening is to create the initial conditions and then let the program run. So the plants know what to do. They've already been programmed in their DNA how to extract nutrients from the potting mix and grow and reach sunlight, phototropism, and how for the roots to go towards gravity, blah blah blah. They all been programmed, they know what to do. We just help them along their journey, along their path. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.